Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get top song playlist in every year on Spotify. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Spotify application on my computer, and then I'm going to show you how we can get the top song playlist. We can go to the search menu right here, and then we're going to search for your top songs. Oops. Okay, your top songs, and let's say I want to get the top songs for 2024. So I'm going to type in 2024 like this, and this is the top song playlist for the 2024. I'm going to open it. Okay, and this is my number one song in this year, guys. And this is the second one. And if you want to get the top song playlist in another year, you just need to type in your top song again like this, and I'm going to search for 2022. Okay, this one. These are my top songs in 2022. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get top song playlist and every year on Spotify. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.